Here are the answers for the day for warm-up. Question A. Explain why gases can be compressed or squeezed, but liquids and solids cannot. Here's my answer. There is a lot of empty space between particles of a gas, so the particles can be pushed closer together. In a liquid or a solid, there is not much empty space between the particles. They're already very close together. Question B. When a gas is in a container, it will exert pressure against the walls of the container. Does increasing temperature increase or decrease the gas pressure? Then we're asked, does increasing the number of gas particles in the container increase or decrease the pressure? And then after that, we're asked, does increasing the volume of the container increase or decrease the gas pressure? So here are the three answers. Answer to the first one. Increasing the temperature increases the gas pressure. You increase the temperature of the gas particles, that means that the average kinetic energy of those particles has increased. With increased kinetic energy, that means the particles are moving around much more in the container. With all that extra motion of the particles, more of them will strike the sides of the container, exerting pressure. The answer to the second question, increasing the number of particles in a container increases the gas pressure. Hopefully the reason makes sense to you. With more particles in a container moving around, more particles will strike the sides of the container, exerting pressure. And the answer to the third question, increasing the volume of the container decreases the gas pressure. Does the reasoning make sense to you? In a much larger container, the particles that are moving around within it will strike the sides of the container less often, so there will be less pressure against the container.